Making $100 a day online as a beginner is more achievable than you might think, without needing advanced skills or a huge time investment. Freelance writing connects you with clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Start small and you can earn $100 a day as projects grow. Online surveys can earn you extra money. Websites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars reward you for completing surveys and testing products. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it easy to get started without inventory. Selling digital products like ebooks and courses allows for passive income. Websites like Etsy and Gumroad make selling easy and effective. Dropshipping lets you sell products without inventory. With setups on Shopify, you can reach $100 a day with the right niche and marketing. Teaching online allows you to share your expertise. Websites like VIPKid provide flexible hours and the chance to earn over $100 a day. Social media management helps businesses maintain their online presence. Offer your services to clients and earn $100 a day with a few clients. With the right opportunities, making $100 a day online is possible. Focus on consistency, persistence, and starting small.